Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So really I just want to take just a couple minutes and highlight two very small additions I made to both the Toyota FJ Cruiser here, as well as my 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro over there. So as you can already tell, perhaps, this FJ Cruiser Trail Teams came debadged. And normally I am an advocate of debadging a vehicle. I've debadged a few myself. I've debadged, like if you see my old videos, my Subaru WRX STI, I've debadged it. Whereas this one came without a badge on the back, any badges. So this was totally peeled. As you guys know, this is normally chrome, of course. And over here, the FJ Cruiser is typically in chrome as well. So I considered making these matte black. You know, just said I didn't find a matte black option, but I was just gonna like plasti dip them and make them that way. But at the same time, I didn't want that finish to wear over time. So I purposely left them this kind of the gloss black here, which I think looks surprisingly good. So I don't know, because this vehicle is completely stock and OEM, and the fact that those are kind of harder to come by, I figured it should have its badges on the back, and black I think it looks a little bit better than chrome. So what do you guys think? Yay or nay? I know you can really never go wrong typically with, you know, debadging. So I understand if, I don't know, you guys are quick to say no go on it, but I think it looks good and it just matches the vehicle a little bit better. Let's shift gears to the 4Runner. So the 4Runner, I did this just today, and you guys are quickly noticing that I have not put on the R. I did that on purpose because I'm going to show you how easy it is. Let's see if I can get a better light angle for you. So obviously I blacked out the chrome here. So all these letters, all the numbers and letters here are normally chrome. This is normally chrome as well. But really, this blackout kit is super simple. So there's the, let me see if I can get a better look for you, sorry. There's the R, right, that I'm going to slap on for you on the video to show you really how easy it is. So on the back, it comes with a that red plastic on the 3M material here, the sticky material here. So it has a red plastic you just peeled off, super easy, and then you slap them on. Of course, you want to make sure that your surface is clean. So obviously the back of the vehicle is pretty dirty, but I cleaned each of these, the chrome bits pretty thoroughly. And you want to use a alcohol swab or wipe to ensure that you're taking off any kind of residue, any kind of wax or anything that you have on it. So they're already clean. Again, I just wanted to show you what this look like. So really, it's as easy as this. This is where I mess it up, right? So really it pops right on. And of course you want to try to be a little firm with it right from the start to make sure that you get a full coverage and that every bit of the adhesive on the back is legitimately sticking to the previous letter here. So kind of a, I don't know, kind of a ghetto way of doing it, if you will, but really simple. And I think it really adds to the look, and it matches the rest of the black on green that this vehicle, all pros come with, right? They kind of come blacked out, black wheels, just black accents everywhere. All right, so it should be good at that point. So there you have it. There's the finished product, which I think it looks great. It's definitely a lot more fitting for the back end here. So I personally love it. Tell me what you guys think. Super simple add too. We're talking, I think $40 or so for this kit here. Just super affordable. I think it adds a lot, especially this guy up here. Making that black was awesome. All right. Actually, I'll give you kind of a quick little side shot of the 4Runner to kind of add to the point of it needing to be blacked out. And you guys know the front end is a little windy out there, so I won't walk out there, but the front end is, you know, blacked out. The Heritage front grille, if you will. Then of course you see the TRD Pro black badge on the side there. So a lot more fitting. It just goes with like the black roof rack, my side rock sliders, black wheels, and now black 4Runner across the back, black badging. So I'll wrap up the video there. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Until next time.